and welcome back to another vlog. And today, day off ni Ma'am Shininyo. So day off ko today, guys. I have 2 days off this week, and today is the first day. And of course, it's baby time tayo. Kita nyo naman ang bata dito, guys. O, sinisipa ako. Ayan, ang bata. Say hi to them. Say hi to your followers, James. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Guys, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning and ayaw niyo nang matulog. Yung sitwasyon kasi namin ni Dominic, guys, salitan kami ng pagbabantay sa kanya. Pag 12 a.m. in the morning until 5 a.m. So, si Dominic yung nagbabantay sa kanya. So, ako yung natutulog sa bedroom namin, guys. So, natutulog ako ng 5 hours straight. Tapos, 5 o'clock in the morning, gigisingin ako ni Dominic. Tapos, siya naman yung papalit doon sa bedroom para makatulog siya ng 5 hours straight. Tapos, ako naman yung lalabas dito sa living room para magbantay dito sa bata na ito. So, swerte mo, guys, kung kapag time mo or toka mo sa pagbabantay sa kanya, matutulog siya kasi matutulog ka din, 'di ba? So may extra hours kang patutulog. Pero today, guys, oh my God, hindi niya ako pinatulog. Wake up kami ng dalawa, guys, since 5 a.m. in the morning until 7. So 2 hours na kami ganito. 2 beses ko na siyang pinadede. And ayaw pa rin niyang matulog kasi usually kapag pinadide ko siya, natutulog siya agad. Today, ayaw niya. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo naman yung bata. Tingnan nyo naman yung bata, guys. Gusto atang mag-good morning sa inyo. James? Why you don't want to sleep? Why you don't want to sleep? You want to say good morning? To your followers? Huh? You want to say good morning? Huh? Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Oh, yung paa. Sinisipa yung dibdib ko. Yan, bago lang kami tapos magpadede sa kanya at ayaw niyang matulog. Ba't ayaw mo matulog? Ha? Bakit ayaw mo matulog, bata? Ha, bata? Ba't ayaw mo matulog, bata? Ganito pala talaga, guys, no? Pagka may baby na, ikaw yung mag-a-adjust sa time schedule nila. Abaw, kabuyag-buyag ang kapal ng buhok, guys. Buyag. Chubby chicks, chubby chicks. Guys, patulog na siya, guys. Gusto niya lagi yung ginaganyan yung ulo niya. Yan yung mukha niya, massage mo. Ayan, gusto niya yan. Yan yung weakness niya, guys. Na minsan ginaganyan ko yung mata niya. So cute. So guys, habang natutulog si James, matutulog din muna kasi maaga pa. Tapos mamaya sayang din 2 hours, kahit 2 hours lang sana kasi 2 hours. It's 10 a.m. in the morning and gising na naman siya, guys. Isang oras lang yung tulog niya. Gawa tayo ng food ni James. Ito pala yung gatas na pinapainom namin sa kanya, guys. Infamil. Ayan yung brand. Tapos sabi ng pediatrician niya pala, lalagyan daw namin ng vitamin D para lumakas yung bones. So ito yung ginagamit namin. 1 scoop lang yung ilalagay natin. Ito, guys. Tapos, sabi nila, guys, kapag nag-shake, tawag daw yung pag-ganon na shake. Dapat ganyan lang. Minsan, ginaganon lang, steer. Ganyan, sabi ng pediatrician niya, para walang hangin na papasok sa tiyan ni baby. Or di kaya ganito. Are you ready? Oh, look, kita nyo guys. Are you ready? Look at the milk. You see the milk? Ayan, so papakainin na naman natin siya for the 3rd time. Ay! Bless you! Ay! Bless you! So, nilalagyan ko siya ng beb muna bago natin papahigain. Minsan guys, pag pinapasok mo yung bottle sa mouth niya, hindi niya kaagad kinakagat. So, kailangan mo siya talagang patiently maghintay. Kasi, tinatakpan niya yung lips niya ng dila niya, ginagana niya. Ganyan. So, hindi makapasok yung bottle. Pero once na ilagay mo lang dyan siya, tapos pinapaikot ko yung bottle ganon. Parang barina ba, ginaganon ko siya. Tapos, kakainin niya na yan. Barb natin siya, guys. Kasi malapit niya na maubos yung 3.5 ounces niya na milk. So, ibabarb natin siya. So, usually, pinapaupo ko lang yan siya sa pillow. Ganyan. Ayan, ganyan yung position niya. Ganyan lang, tap-tap lang. Hindi ko kasi siya kaya yung nasa shoulder ba. Si Dominic kaya niya yun. Yun sana yung comfortable. Pero ito, parang hiyang ko to siya. Minsan gumagana niya yan. Minsan pinupush back niya yung katawan niya. Talagang nilalabanan niya, guys. Minsan natutulog yan pag pinapak mo yung ano niya, yung likod. Pero ngayon talaga gising na gising siya. Good morning! Ayan na yung bata! Good morning! Hindi pa niya abot to, guys. Oh, ito kasi para to sa paa. Ayan. Pag nilalaro siya. Ayan. Hindi pa niya abot, guys, masyado. So, ayan. Pwede ko siyang i-push, kaso medyo mataas pa to. So, ayan. Hindi mo natin yan gagamitin. Ito na lang yung mga toys niya dyan. Hi! How was your playpen? How was it? Do you like it? And I will let him play the Coco Melon right here. Because Dominic is working right here, guys. What? Look, he's dancing. What? What? Fresh na yan, guys, kasi napalitan na siya ng diaper. New clothes na siya. Ay! He's crying. You need to enjoy. Why you're crying? James, look. Good morning, Dom.
Morning. How are you?
Dominic have a long hair.
I don't know.
It looks so foggy. I like it.
No, it's awesome. It needs cut. It needs cut like 3 months ago. I had a baby, so I haven't cut my hair cut. Oh, handsome. What's the matter?
Hey guys, we are driving now, going to our favorite park in the High Banks. We're going for a walk. It's a nice weather outside. It's 71 or something, and it's sunny. And yeah, we're driving right now, and I think we're almost here. And look, our child right here in the passenger seat. Look at him, guys. He's sleeping. Oh my god. These chunky chicks in here. His color is so yellowish. It's not yellowish. I mean, like very Filipino.
Yeah.
It's not like a pinkish. Yeah. That's our baby James. He's enjoying his sleep. He really liked his car ride. That's his outfit for today. He brought with him his pacifier. Me and Dominic, we got our coffees. Yeah, coffee yung laman yan, guys. Hindi na kami nag-Starbucks para makatipid. Dominic, say hi!
I'm so tired. James didn't sleep well last night, so I didn't sleep well.
Yeah, look at that, guys. It's sunny!
Yes, it's so
Spring
nice.
is coming!
Yes, thank
And
God.
the trees, they're still sleeping, but
Naked.
they're gonna be awake soon. Ayan, yung iba guys gising na, pero yung iba tulog pa din. Ayan, welcome to United States. Look at that, guys. Hindi yan sila patay, guys. Natutulog lang yung mga yan. Pagka spring or summer, makikita nyo ulit.
Natutulog sa sleep.
Yeah, natutulog sila. And during the winter, during the summer and the spring, green na naman yan, guys. Ang daming naglalakad ngayon, guys. A lot of people are walking. Oh, look at that. Parking lot is full.
We're going to the back side because that's the only place that has paved.
Yeah, because we're gonna bring James' stroller. He's crying. James, we're here. All right, walking is started.
Yes, we made it. James is enjoying the road as well.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
And look, our
Trying to wake
Travis
up.
right there, guys, is sleeping.
He was awake for a second. Yeah. I think he likes just the car seat and like the bumping. And
Yeah, and then when Dominic stopped the car, he woke up.
So why always say he hates red lights?
Yeah.
Uh,
So we're here now. This is our ambience.
yes,
So
it's
pretty.
ambience.
Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah, we usually like going on a different trail. It's actually like in the trees and like up and down hills. And,
Like beside the river.
yeah, over some bridges. But then those are all like dirt roads or gravel.
Yeah, we cannot bring his
Can't really bring
stroller.
this guy yet, so.
It's
Maybe
okay, we're gonna buy him a stroller like a car tire.
yeah, like a full on bike tire, off road.
Off-road.
Yeah, that'd be nice. We'll figure it out. For now, this is good. Thanks, Reese. Shout out. This was Reese's, my friend's
Yeah. Gift. Baby shower.
Baby shower gift. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at him, guys. Like his color. Look at his color, babe. He's so perfect. Look at that. Look at that, guys. He's so handsome.
Ooh, I can feel the sun.
Yeah. Oh, it should open. Oh
He's like,
no.
"Oh, shit."
Oh no.
What is that? What the hell? He hates the sun. Look
Guys,
at that.
he hates the sun.
All right. Trying to give you some
Look,
sun,
he
man.
opened his eyes. Like, Daddy, what you did?
Say, what the heck?
Look at that. His eyes.
He's like, what was
He
that?
was mad. Oh no.
Sorry, pal.
Oh no. He was mad, huh?
Oh, man.
So foggy.
I just want you to get some sunlight. You've been in your winter, baby.
That's where we park, guys. And it's like a farm.
No, it's flat.
No, because it's all flat, guys.
Well, this part is, yeah.
Before, it's always been like this. And then now, the other one,
Naked.
nothing. It's
Level.
naked now.
Yeah, well, this is only, we don't normally walk this part. We like the nature, like the tree.
Yeah.
Like, it's covered in trees and all that stuff. So.
Look at that child still sleeping.
This is James.
No more strolley. I no more stroller, guys. No
You
more.
mixed your two words. They called it a trolley. A trolley. You called it a strolley.
No more stroller, guys. And Dominic just carrying him.
Yeah, all 12 pounds of them now. Getting heavy.
Yeah, and I'm carrying the bag,
Yeah, diaper bag.
diaper bag. I always forget the
alright.
name. And I'm carrying the diaper bag, and Dominic is carrying James.
Essential merchandise.
He's closing his eyes, guys, because it's sunny.
We're going to the trees, buddy. But he seems to be cool with it. We got a hat for him and gloves in case he gets cold.
Yeah.
So,
And if he's hungry, we have a milk bottle for him.
yeah. Prepared. We've been out before without a bottle. That wasn't good. So, always bring an extra even if he's not going to need it. What do you think? We were at the grocery store just the other day. Didn't have a bottle, so that didn't go well.
In the grocery.
I dropped you off at Saraga.
Ah, that's true, that's
Yeah.
true.
So while she was in there getting her Asian food, I was
With James
baby duty.
in the car.
Started crying right away. I want food right now.
Say hi. Look at this color, guys.
Oh, sunny.
Oh yeah, he opened his eyes when there is a cover.
Shade. Almost there. We're gonna be under the trees, sir.
It's gonna be me and James under the tree, and Daddy let Daddy do the sunbathing, huh?
That's right. I need to get tan. I'm pale white. My skin never sees the sun anymore.
It's a police, guys, and ambulance. Maybe there is some accident. Ooh! We are here beside the Olentangy River. Ooh! Do you like it, James?
He does.
What?
It's all muddy right here, so this way. Going off road. What do you think?
Babe, you got a nice color on your arms.
Yeah?
It's getting pink.
Get that together.
Dominic, guys, is pink now.
Man,
It's
my
really-
shoulders are still all messed up from the Philippines when I got burnt.
Yeah.
They don't look the same anymore.
So we're here. Ta-da-dun-dun. What? Oh no!
Ooh.
So this is
Little
where
break.
are we right now? And guys, pretty. How are you, James? Did you enjoy?
Minus the sun.
Minus the sun? Abo ah.
That's
Abo
a
ah.
good boy.
Daddy's boy ah. Daddy's boy.
That's a good boy. It's
Aww.
heavy. Hope we're not going to be hungry.
That's hungry?
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
So, let's keep you going straight then. If he's straight, usually he doesn't ask for food as quickly. Hopefully not. What do you think? You think, James? Hi.
How is it looking?
Oh, he's looking around. Straight face. You like your swing, pal?
It's like
First-
a swing now. This look like your swing.
Just a straight face. He's gonna be hungry
I
here
can see
soon.
his eyelashes from behind.
Yeah, he's got
so,
long eyelashes.
Yeah.
Handsome. You're gonna be hungry soon, huh? Are we pushing our luck?
Daddy, I'm enjoying.
Mommy's enjoying. Oh, good job, buddy. Hi.
Wah! Wah! Hi, James. Baby.
Oh, who's saying?
Baby. It's windy right now, guys. That's why it's like
Yelling.
catching his breath. That makes that sound. Are you pooping?
Pooped
Hi,
earlier today.
James. Ah, kapogi-pogi ang baby.
Alright.
Ambot na lang gid. Kapogi-pogi ang bata. I like his hair so long.
Yeah.
James, you're only 2 months.
I know, I almost need a haircut.
Yeah,
down
you
below
need a
his ears.
haircut? Huh?
Some long hair, buddy. Daddy needs a haircut.
This is the second round, guys, on this spot. Ayan. Bumalik ulit kami. Pero last na namin ito.
We're gonna do one of your pretzel baconators. Double, please. Combo.
We got our burger. So we just get our burger, guys. We went to Wendy's. And because me and James is hungry. Just kidding. Dominic is hungry. So it's like this is the fastest. And the fastest food chain.
Harrigan likes Wendy's.
No, I like KFC.
That's your favorite.
There's a KFC in there, guys. Look. There we go, KFC.
No spaghetti.
But Dominic is not really the fan of KFC because he said it's a deep fried.
Yeah, I mean, I like it. It just seems, I don't know.
Like
just
a lot of
I feel
oil.
like it's way more oil than like,
Yeah.
no matter what, it's all bad.
What's your favorite fast food again, babe? Arby's?
Oh, yeah, probably Arby's. Oh, that or unless Cane's counts.
Cane's,
Yeah,
yeah.
Arby's or Cane's would probably be my two favorite.
It's really good.
Yeah, I could always.
How I wish our KFC here or McDonald's have like a fried chicken and rice or something like that.
Yeah.
But here, guys, in the US, it's nothing.
No rice.
It's just like a fried chicken or mashed potato or something
Yep.
like that.
Biscuits.
So, yeah, biscuit. So it's very different. And James is awake.
Is he?
James is awake. He's awake over there. Yeah, so we're almost home now, and we're probably gonna eat our burger.
I don't know. James probably gonna end up eating first.
Yeah, maybe we're gonna feed this boy because it's been a while. I think we fed him like
2:30.
2:30.
2, yeah.
Yeah, 2 p.m. earlier, so it's almost 6 p.m. now. It's crazy, it's almost 6 p.m. but still sunset. So So he kind of like holding his pacifier for a while. And then now it's drop again. So you really need to help him.
Yeah,
There
he's
we go.
learning.
Yeah. There we go. Daddy, you stop.
Oh no. I'm trying.
Every time Dominic guys stop, he wakes. A lot of stoplight boy, huh?